Last month, dancehall artist Beenie Man turned 46. We stopped by his birthday party to capture the highlights.
Birthday to you.
Blessings, man.
So after all these years in the industry, how does it feel to celebrate with your friends and family one more year?
Yeah, it's a great thing because, you know, birthday is a special day. You see it, so, yeah, it's a very great thing.
You're sponsored by Boom this year. What do you have to say to your Boom family?
Yeah, big up all of my Boom family, them, because you don't say everything we touch a boom. So you don't say everything we touch the place, boom up. So I'm in the argument to them, you see it. So, Boom family, thanks for the support. Thanks to Water. Yeah. To my daughter, she give me comfort, you know. And she make me put on weight. Yeah. But me love her. She's sweet like mango net. That's why I roast it. But she give me comfort. She give me relaxation, you know. Something where I not have for about 20 years. Yeah, my brain relax, body relax, mind relax. Because it's not like me I eat no other food, like, me stick to my diet, you see it, but comfort is a serious thing.
He's an ambassador for Epican Jamaica, so it was no surprise for dancehall artist Aidonia to stop by the Epican farm for a visit. We were there, so let's see what happened.
I was in Los Angeles like in February and that was a great look for me. So, you know, worldwide, you know, marijuana consume a lot worldwide and just to be a part of this brand right now, like even people who didn't know me now, you see me, so it's a great look. How can, you know, can freelance and do it thing now, you know, without any problems and thing, and you know, that has always been, you know, a main thing of my music and a lot of musicians, you know, the marijuana plant, this so we get the inspiration, the vibe and the energy from, so it's a great look for both brands right now. You know, Epican do it right now, you know, you see me, and the world knows and the world are looking right now, so Epican is doing the thing right now. You see me for Jamaica, you know, and put Jamaica on the map on that level. Yeah.
One of the big questions that we always ask at the store is if we produce our own cannabis. And so in order for us to tell that story, it's important for, you know, to get Aidonia here. He will help us to get the awareness of the farm. We're an organic farm in Blue Mountains where the conditions are ideal for cannabis growth. So he will help us to tell the story of where we are, and we're an authentic Jamaican farm.
After the break, Jamaican athlete Kemoy Campbell, the Caribbean video, and the Magnum Top 10. We'll soon forward.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.